Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of the summer term. I'm going to do a phonics video with you today to help you with your key sound for this week. Now the last few weeks we have been doing sounds that have 2 letters but make 1 sound. Those are called digraphs, and they've all had the H letter and then the sound. So we've done CH, which makes a ch sound, like a train goes choo choo choo. So that's the ch. It's nice and hard on the tongue. Then we've got the softer one, which is SH, making that sh sound. Shh. And this week's phonics is a rather cheeky one because you get to stick your tongue out, which is the only time you get to stick your tongue out in P2. It's when you're making this sound. So this sound is the th sound. So you have to put your tongue between your teeth and go th. Okay, and it's made by using 2 letters, the T and the H. So when they're together, like this, they make that th sound. And there are lots of words that we use every day that have that th sound. I'm going to read you a little poem, and I want you to listen out for the words that have the th sound. Okay, the th sound. So here we go. We thought we saw a thief today. He wasn't short or thin. He seemed to be quite thirsty as he ran off with a grin. He didn't stop to thank us, but we didn't think to fuss. Next time we'll bring enough to share with that hungry, thieving bear. Okay, so did you find any sounds? We had thank and thief and think and that. Lots of TH words, lots of th words. Now, I'm going to show you a little activity that you can do at home that'll help you with all of those sounds that we did the last few weeks. The ch sound, the sh sound, and this week's key sound, which is the th sound. So here is the little activity that I thought you could do at home, boys and girls. It is really easy. I've just used a little bit of cardboard and I've drawn on some spaces for my sounds. So I've got single boxes for the sounds that use 1 letter, and I've got a longer double box for the sounds that use 2 letters, like our ch, that cheeky one that we're doing this week, and shh. Okay, and I've got 3 bowls. In this bowl, I've got my 3 digraphs that we're focusing on. So SH, CH, and TH, and I've coloured them yellow. In the middle bowl, I've got all of my vowels. So I've got U and O and I and E and A, and I've coloured those red. And then any other consonants that I'm going to use, I put in this bowl, and they're coloured blue. So it helps us to see between the vowels, the single sounds, and the sounds that need 2 letters in them. So because your key sound is TH this week, that cheeky one, we'll start with that. So this time we're going to make some words where the th sound is at the end of the word, because all of these sounds can come at the start or they can come at the end. So let's put at the end. There we go. And then you just have a little play around with the other letters from your other bowls. So I'm going to try and put an O down there. And now I need a consonant for the start. Okay, so let's say if I put down a k. Now, I'm going to sound it out and I'm going to check if it's a real word. If it is a real word, I can write it down. If it's not, then I have to change that first letter to try and get a real word. So sound it out. K, oth, koth, koth. No, that's not a real sound, so I can't write that one down. Let me put that over there and try and find a letter that will work. Can we see? What about I'm going to put the there. Now I'm going to sound it out. Oth, moth. Yeah, that's a real word, so I'm going to write it up on my board. Oth. Moth. There we go. And then we can change maybe our vowel. Okay, we'll change our vowel. Maybe we could put in, what about A? Okay, and I'm going to change my consonant as well. So this time I've got ath, ath. Now, you can think of a word that you can put there, or you can just have a little play around. So let's see. G, ath, gath, gath. No, that doesn't sound like a real word, so that's not going to work. But I am thinking of a word I do know that rhymes with that, which would be bath. So what sound would I need for the beginning of my word to make bath? Bath. B, b, b. There we go. B, ath, bath. And we can add that to our list. Oh, I'm going to have to get a new pen. Let's go with red this time. B, ath. There we go, that's much better. Bath. Okay, so you can play around with those. Let's see if we can change the digraph this time and make a different word using b, a, ba at the start. Let me see, what about if I change this to a sh? Can we try it now? B, a, sh, bash. Yeah, we could put that up, bash, like you might bash the drum. B, a, sh, bash. Great. Okay, so you can have a little fun with that. Now on the other side, I did say to you earlier that the 3 sounds that we've been focusing on this week can also come at the beginning of the word. So on the other side, I've made my longer space for my digraphs at the start and smaller spaces for the single sound letters at the end. So let's start with our key word, this sound this week, which is th. I'm going to have a different vowel this time. I'm going to try the I. Now, it said in our poem that the thief was not short or thin. Thin. What sound do I need at the end of my word to make thin? Thin. Can you hear it? Yep, it's the N letter making the N sound. N. Thin. Thin. So we'll write that up on our board. Thin. Now maybe we could change the last letter to see if we can make a different word. Oh, I put my vowel in the wrong place. Let's say, what about if we use the G sound? Let's see if this makes a real word. Thig. No, that's not a real word, is it? So I won't write that up on my list. Okay. So, have a little play with this. You can make it by yourself. Maybe ask mummy or daddy to help you with the cutting. Make some letters and colour them different colours for the digraphs, for the vowels and for the consonants, and have a little play around and see how many different words you can make using our sh, our ch, and our, which are your very special sounds for the last 3 weeks. All right, well done everybody. Have fun.